So for this one, you're going to need 7 pieces of paper and a template. Now I've made my template this shape. You could make it pointy if you want, but to make it this shape, I drew round 2 round things and then just drew a straight line from there. So that gave me this shape. Now we're going to take each sheet of paper, I'm using old book paper, and I'm going to fold it, not in half, but over halfway, and then fold the other one like that. Take our glue and glue all down the edge. Stick it down, so we're left with a tube. We're going to want to make 7 of these. So now we have our 7 folded pieces. I'm going to start cutting out our shape. So draw around my template. Do this at both ends. Cut those out. The thing I love about these is you can use this method to make all different shapes and sized ones. Depending on how you make your template, you can make it pointy, you can make it really detailed, lots of cutouts. I've not tried a rounded one yet, so this is my first go at it. We'll see how it comes out. So we're going to do that to each of them. Okay, so I've done all 7 of these. I think I want a little bit more detail here, so I'm going to just cut out a little triangle on each side. Try and match it on this side. I'm going to just do that on the one side, so I'm going to do that to the rest of those as well. Okay, so they've all got their little notches cut out of them. Now we are going to fold them about, so we're not folding them in half, we're going to fold them, I'm going to put the shoulder of this one against these ridges. It's being a bit tricky to fold. Like that. So I'm going to fold each one like that. So now we're going to take our glue and we're going to, on the shorter side, just up to this point, we don't want to go beyond that point, I'm going to put my finger there, just straight down the middle, and stick those together. So do that for each of them, but don't stick this bit down. Now we have all of those glued down. We're going to take, I'm going to use slightly stronger glue for this. I'm going to take our glue down and then across in a T shape. So again, I haven't gone all the way to the top, just to the round bit there. And then we're putting the long one against the short one. So we're stacking them all the same way. And just keep going with that until they're all glued together. I'll carry on and come back to you once I've done those. I'll put those together. I couldn't find my pegs, so I have clipped them with my hair clips to hold them together while they dry. Okay, so this is now dry. We need to do the same with the glue down here and pull it together. So first I'm going to open this up, and to open it up I'm going to put some sticks inside and then pull it open. And this is how it's going to look. Oh, it's lovely. Really lovely snowflake effect. Now the reason I put sticks in the reason I put sticks in to do this, when you first open it, if you open it like this, it just gets stuck there. You can't keep going with it. So if you put the stick in all the way to the bottom, you could just use a pencil or something. It just helps you open it all the way evenly down, and that stops it from ripping or getting bent. So I'm now going to add some glue onto there. Just the same as I did the others. And then stick that like that. Take those out and let that dry. So there we have it, our beautiful snowflake. I have added some holes to hang and added some of these reinforcing stickers just to keep the holes secure, and some string to hang, and there you have your beautiful snowflake. And just like real snowflakes, they are unique. I have another one made in exactly the same process, except this time it is pointy instead of rounded. So same but different. I'm going to be hanging these in my window. I think they look lovely. I have some stars I made in my previous video, I shall link now, that are also in my window, and they'll just look so good together. Can't wait to hang them up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a very, very Merry Christmas. See you again soon.